Right, today we're going to show you how to cut plasterboard using Knauf plasterboard. So do a simple cut on this wall. So get your measurement for timber to timber. That's you want to see the measurement? And that's 500 mil. Going to cut a nice square measurement. And I'll show you how to fix it. So when you mark the board, you do a mark top and bottom of the board on the 500 mil up with measures. One there, one at the bottom. And then you want to straight edge or level or anything that's straight to link the lines together with a sharp blade. Just run your knife down, get a nice straight cut. Then you snap the board from the back and we cut through again from the front. Just like that. And then that's quite a nice cut actually, but if you get any lumps and bumps you can surf on them. You should just run down, see like the lump there? It just takes that off. And so when you button our board up to it, it's nice and straight. Like so. And now we're going to fix it on the wall. Make sure you're flush with the end of your timber. With a 1200 bolt, I always put 6 screws in each row. Keeping sure the screw head is flush with the board, not going too far. That's how to cut and fix the plasterboard.